Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're showing you this heavy duty binder. So right away on the front we see there's a zipper so you can place stuff inside directly in here. On the back it's just nice clear open. On the front and on the top you have this nice grip handle for carrying. Let's go ahead and pull this zipper up. Show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so on the inside, as you're going to notice, it wants to fold, and that's just because it's brand new. As you start using it, it's eventually going to flatten out better. So right away we see that they have straps in here, and they also have a strap inside here. This allows you to carry it around your shoulder, so you would just connect it on each end right there if you want it for a shoulder strap. So you got that pocket up here. You have this for papers. Now, as you can see, very, very big rings. So that means you can fit a lot of papers on there. You can pull these down to open that. And then you just press them to close it. Got a spot in here for papers or a folder. This is Velcro. Pull this up. And now you can see you have two folder slots right up in here with a divide. So you can have files up in there. Overall, it's a nice binder. It's gonna work good for different tax stuff that we have. You could use this for school, for business, or whatever you can come up with. Overall, it's nice, large, and it's gonna hold a lot.